You hit me once, I hit you back. You gave a kick, I gave a slap. You smashed a plate over my head, then I set fire to our bed.
Hello YouTube, it's me Haris again, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to use ROM manager, how you can flash custom ROMs, custom recoveries, packing and restoring ROMs, partitioning SD card, and pretty much everything. So first we'll download this app from market. It's a premium version. It has a premium version and free version. Sorry, I have downloaded the free version, of course. So premium version has much advantage over free version, like no ads and nothing, and you can install from QR code and stuff like that. So as you can see, the first option is Flash Clockwork Mod Recovery, and I've already done that. My current recovery is 4.0.1.5, which is the latest one in the ROM manager, and the latest one is actually 5.0, which can install through ADB, not through this. And remember, while flashing Clockwork, your battery should be 100% preferably, or more than 60%. Only then you will be able to flash it. And we'll start with I'll show you again. I'll flash it for you guys again. Okay, so select the phone, MICROMAX A70, warning when flashing, and you can go ahead if you have a 3G connection. And we can see this status bar showing the status of downloading, actually showing the status of how much is flashed, I mean how much is downloaded the recovery. Sorry about the stammering, actually I get a bit nervous. As you can see, it's taking a little bit. It will take few minutes, not few minutes if you have a high-speed connection. At last it will ask for super user permissions. No, it didn't ask. Sometimes it will ask you for super user permissions, and you have to accept that. Now to check whether our flash recovery has been installed or not, we will reboot into recovery. Are you sure you want to reboot? Oh yes, of course. Wait for it. As you can see, the recovery menu has started as I rebooted in the recovery, and I'll show you other way also to reboot into the recovery. Here we have a lot of options. We can choose it using volume down key and select it with power key. This touch doesn't work over here, so you can see as I'm moving up and down in the menu. I'll power it off, and I'll show you the other way of rebooting into recovery. Wait, it's shutting down. To reboot into recovery other way, you have to press the volume down key and power key simultaneously. It should reboot into the custom recovery. As you can see, it has rebooted into custom recovery without using ROM manager. So we will back up here. We can either back up using this recovery only, and we can back up using ROM manager as well. But as we are now in the recovery mode. So I'll show you how to backup using this thing, and we'll restore using ROM manager later. So I'll hit the backup, and it will back up the current image, I mean the current restore point or whatever we'll call it, and it will back up current ROM, which is stock one. So as you can see, it's progress bar behind the text. Backing up, it will take a bit of time. It will take a few minutes depending on how much data you have on your phone, how many apps and stuff like that. It will pretty much back up everything, even contacts and stuff like that, and apps and their data, whatever. As you can see, this option backing up SD card ext, this will only come up if you have partitioned your SD card. As I partitioned my SD card, so this is showing. I'll also show you how you can partition your SD card. And backup is complete, and now you can see the backups over here, backup and restore, and we're gonna hit restore key, and you can see today's date 2011 12:30, time, etc., stuff like that. So it's the name of the backed up ROM. So we're going to reboot into system now. So after rebooting into the system, I will show you before we'll install any custom ROM. I'll show you the stock ROMs benchmark test. We'll do the quadrant standard benchmark test of the stock version of the ROM, and after that we will do the benchmark test for the custom ROM, so that I can show you what are the benefits. So quadrant benchmark tests are running. Okay, yes. So you can see the score is 489 below HTC Desire. Sorry, it's 469 actually, pretty low below HTC Desire. And now after all this, I will install the custom ROM